Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 50 moving average on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to TradingView, then click on Indicators. Now here at the search bar, type moving average and choose this one, moving average simple. Click on it. And as you can see here, this is our moving average. Now let's change it to a 50 moving average. So click on it. Click on the gear icon, go to input and change the length to 50 and click on OK. Now, as you can see, this is our 50 moving average. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change the color. Again, go to the gear icon, click on style, and we have here blue, as you can see. Click on it, and you can choose any color from here. So I will choose red, for example. Click on it, and as you can see, the color has been changed. If you want to make the moving average thicker, click on thickness here. You can choose this one or this one. So for me, I will choose this one. After that, just click on OK. And now this is our 50 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.